welcome to new video. So we'll be installing the CLA grille and the full gloss black badge on this. So if you already got the part, it will be the next video for you to watch, see how it's done. Or if you're looking to upgrade your CLA, we'll link all the products in the description so you can buy all the parts, the grills, the badges and the rest of the stuff. And yeah, so we'll transform the look of this. Hope you like the video. Just hit subscribe button, hit like button, and we'll get cracking. So we've obviously got the ramp, so we are using the ramp to do this. You don't necessarily need a ramp. You can probably do it on your drive with like a jack or something. So there's a few bolts underneath the bumper that needs doing, but as I say, it doesn't have to be done on the ramp. It can be done on the drive if you fancy lying on the floor and doing it from there. But yeah, since we've got the ramp, we'll take advantage of that. Right, so on the top we've got Torx 25 screws there, yeah, along this side. There are a couple of, I think, 8mm. I think they're normally 8mm inside there, where it joins the wing and the bumper. So we'll take them out first. So yeah, as I said, first thing we need to get these Torx out. You want to get to these corner ones, it's quite hard with the rubber, so just pull the rubber back. That way it's easier to get to the head. You can get it off. You can pop it back on if you want, but you'll need to get it off again when you're putting it back on. Just the Torx on this as well, so it's not actually 8mm, so I'll lied a little bit. So it's T25 as well inside the wing, and this plastic bit pops off, so it gives you a bit more access in there. Yeah, it's just a Torx 25, but like a very small one. Hold these two together. So that's the top done. We'll lift the car up, get inside the wheel arches. Right, inside here there's no screws. There's a plastic clip there, They're weird like pin clips, so you need to get the middle bit out and then the rest of the clip comes out. The same on the bottom one. Yeah, so you need to get the where's it gone? The middle bit out, and then like the bigger fatter bit. So we'll do that now. I normally use these two, so like a hook to get the first bit, and then the other one to get the bigger clip out. So firstly with the hook, I kind of try to pull the middle bit out a little bit, so I can get this on. Then once that's on, pull the middle out, and then you can get to the big clip. Same again, pull it out with the hook and get it out with this. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Obviously the mill, when you push it in, it opens it up, makes it like bigger, so it clips in. Also, what I normally do, I'll just bend the inner wheel liner back, and it just gets jammed on the tire. So if you take the wheel off, it might be harder for you to actually get to it, because like you'll need to get the headliner, the wheel liner hung up somewhere. So inside here there's two 10mm bolts. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not. Yeah, so there's two, obviously that one and that one, yeah, so you need to take them out. We normally use this like angled drill bit with like adapter for the socket and the drill. To get them out, you can just use like a normal ratchet. It just takes a bit longer to do, and anything bigger, like you can't really get in there. There's not a lot of room in there, so I find this is the best and the quickest solution. So that's them two out. This should now just unclip. Same with the top one. So that's that. Same on the other side. Right, so at the bump, like the bottom, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws that we need to take off. Probably one missing. Yeah, there's one missing from there, but you might have one in there. So just 8mm bolts. Right, so that's all the screws out. The top's like hooked over like these plastic things, so just loosen them off. The bumper will feel like it's quite stiff somewhere, but there's like two like bar kind of pins that hold it in down there. So what I normally do, I kind of get it from this side. Just pull. This side come off all right. This side doesn't want to come off. Oh, it did. So there's the foam crash bar cover on there. I normally just unhook it and just leave it hanging. So just leave it hanging on there, and there's like a bigger connection for all your like parking sensors and stuff. Right, next, something like a hook like that will come very handy, because there's a lot of clips around that needs to be removed on this. So I would either buy one, or if you got one, then happy days. You need to remove a lot of clips all the way around this. So doesn't want to come off, so you just need to like pull it straight towards you, quite sharp, and then it kind of unlocks. Right, so next this is on top of the grill, so you need to kind of unlock it from the grill, because it's like slotted underneath this. So right, so what we've got next is more clips all the way around. So yeah, just one at a time, and kind of like get your hand underneath the grill, put a bit of tension on, and that way right, old grill out. Well, they got the gloss black badge fitted to it, so it's just going straight in. Just basically push it in until it locks, and that is it. This back in. Right, so same as it come off, we need to plug the plug back in. Important, if you don't and you turn the ignition on, it's most likely going to bring an airbag light on and stuff like that. So, and then you'll have to take it to a garage and actually get it cleared. So when it comes to putting it back on, the bumper needs to slide on there and in there. It all on. Need to get this little one in as well. Right, and that's how it's done. That's what it looked like, and that's what it looks like now. Comment below, was it helpful? And hope you like the video, and see you in the next one.